Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout, and yes, I'm going to be uploading 2 videos in the same day, and at the end of the video you'll find out why, or maybe halfway through. So this is a layout that I got done at the crop that I went to back in April, and each video that I do, the view is a little different because the setup is different than what it is in my craft room, but at least I was able to film every page that I got done at that crop. And this was another page kit that I had put together that was using scraps, leftovers from the Scrapathon class that I had back in March. And one of the Facebook Lives that we did, we took some of the leftovers. We're talking pattern papers, we're talking embellishments, and we made some page kits. Another thing that I had done as a Facebook Live was taking some of the embellishments, and one of the Facebook Lives we had made some embellishment clusters, like pre-made them with no pages in mind. Well, one of these embellishment clusters is in this page kit, so I'm going to be using those. And a lot of the pattern papers that I have with this page kits are all leftovers, and I'm going to use them in the size that they were already cut. Now this page was another super quick page. I think it took me 36 minutes to complete. So whenever I have page kits that is just scraps, these pages come together super quickly. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what I did. I took my picture, and this is a picture of my second daughter, and we were in New York, and I'm going to New York in less than a week. I'm leaving May 29th, and so I'm kind of in the New York kind of frame of mind, and I found this picture of my daughter eating lobster tails from Carlo's Bakery, and we are going to Carlo's Bakery while we're there, so I absolutely wanted to scrap this picture. I mounted it on the inside of the cardstock because I like to, instead of going to get a fresh sheet and cutting at the corner and then you're left with all these scraps, I like to do it in the center, and then I'm able to build my whole layout on top of it. And then, you know, nobody really is able to see it because even in the album, it's going to end up with a sheet, you know, another layout on the back of it. So it's going to cover it up. The only thing is, if I'm not putting a full pattern paper on the back of it, like this, I'm using the pink as my background. I just have to make sure that I really cut it in the center so that with my other pattern papers, I'm going to cover that hole. The scraps of pattern papers that I had in this page kit is some Doodlebug design from 2001. So I am using some really old stuff and it feels really good. And that first embellishment cluster, that was one of the embellishment clusters that we had put together during the Facebook Live. And I mean, talk about coming together quickly. I just had to grab it and put it on the right side of the photo. And it doesn't mean that I am not going add some other stuff to it, but it's a nice start to an embellishment cluster. And because that had a frame when I put the page kit together, I had grabbed a few other ones, pieces that look like frame-like, and then I'm able to start my embellishment clusters with those two, so I'm able to use them as an embellishment foundation. One of the pattern papers had these little flowers, and I cut them apart, and I'm going to put them on each of the embellishment clusters. So while I finish putting this page together, just to let you know, there will be close-ups at the end of the video so you can see all the embellishment clusters. And also, if you join my Facebook group, I always post a picture of the layout there. And also, I have my Instagram in the description box below, and I upload all my layouts there also. Now, on to the fun part. Today is my birthday, so yay, happy birthday to me. And to celebrate, I'm going to offer my classes at a discount for the age that I'm turning today. So today I'm turning 52 years old, which, wow, I don't feel 52, but that's beyond the point. So today, and for 2 days, I'm going to have all my classes at 52% off. So in the description box below, you can see the link to my classes. And for a couple of days, in celebration of my birthday, I'm going to offer all my classes at 52% off. So that's it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I have over 700 process videos. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and maybe leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.